I'm going to quickly show you how to use your new ShortStache Mist PL filter or the everyday filter. Both exactly the same operation. We've got in both the threaded and the Helix variants. They're both exactly the same on how to use, so let's get started. So once you thread this thing on, there's really only one thing you need to know is your mist is always engaged and your polarizer is controlled by this outer ring. So if you want to reduce glare, you rotate this until you see exactly what you want in the viewfinder, whether it's reduce glare, or if you want to disengage the polarizer, you rotate it until you see what you like if you do want the reflections. Same thing on the Helix. Once you slap this baby on, you're just rotating this outer ring to adjust polarization. Now remember, when you're adjusting polarization, anytime you change angles from like this way to this way relative to the sun, you're gonna need to adjust the polarizer, because the way that the sun is reflecting off at different angles, the polarizer is going to have different properties. So you're gonna have a different max polarization level from here to here if the sun is, say, like behind the car or in front of the car or in front of a window. Like every time you change relative to the sun or any light source, you're gonna wanna kind of stay on top of that polarizer and make sure it's exactly what you want as the photographer or videographer. That's pretty much it. Told you it'd be a short video. It's how you use your ShortStache Everyday or Mist PL filter. I'm Jeff with Polar Pro. See you on the next one.